Hey guys, it's Luscious Lisha once again, and today we have my nieces here. We have Toria and Aaliyah, and today we are going to make Jay's Jumpin Jambalaya with a twist. So guys, what we're going to use is we're going to have a whole chicken breast cubed. We're going to have some sweet potatoes cubed. We have some parsley chopped here, and we also have garlic. We have 1 onion chopped, 1 red pepper. We have oregano, green peppers, andouille sausage. We have cumin, thyme, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic, pink Himalayan salt, teaspoon of sugar, bouillon cube, shrimp, rice, tomatoes, and olive oil. That's what you need. Okay guys, what we have here is a pot heating up, and we're going to use some of this basil olive oil to fry our ingredients in. Okay niece, we're going to put about a 1/4 cup in there. Alright niece, that looks good. Alrighty then. So we're going to let that heat up just a little bit, and we're going to start adding our ingredients. First of all, we're going to add some garlic. Here we go. You add the garlic in like so. Okay. And then we're going to add some chicken. The chicken breast we cut up, we're going to add that in there like so. Put your heat on medium high so we can toss everything. All right, niece, give that a stir. All right, we're going to let that cook for a little bit. And we're going to add some onions. Okay. Lots of onions. Onions are so good for you. Sometimes they make your eyes water, but oh well. Get a tissue. Okay, now we have some red peppers. We're going to add those also. Now we're going to add the green peppers also. We have 2 different kinds of peppers here. We have red peppers and we have green peppers. We're also going to add some celery, a cup of celery. That will be just fine. All right, niece, how's it looking?
It's looking great.
All right, now the twist will be we're going to add a 1/2 cup of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, yes, that's what I said, sweet potatoes. Here you go, niece. Just let it go for a minute there, niece, and it'll be great. All right, this is some parsley that we're going to add in. All right, that looks so good, niece. All right, now we have some bouillon cubes. We're going to add that in there. Just add about 2 teaspoons of that in there. It's going to be so good, guys. And then we have our sugar. Add about a tablespoon of sugar. That sounds good. All right, now we have some cayenne pepper. We have garlic. We have Himalayan salt. Let's do about a teaspoon of that. Okay. Here's some black pepper. And we have some thyme and some cumin. Here's your cumin. And here's your thyme. All right, niece. Let's give that a big old stir. Guys, we also have our andouille sausage. We're going to put the andouille sausage in, me and my niece. There you are. We also have oregano. Niece, put the oregano in. Okay. And you also want the can of tomatoes. Okay, here we are. So you put them in like so, guys. You put the can of tomatoes in. And you kind of chop them up just a little bit. Because they're going to drain. They're going to cook down, but we're going to chop them up just a little bit to mix it in with all the other flavors. Doesn't that look good? Yes, it does. All right, niece, what else do we have?
We have some tomato paste to add.
All right. There you go. This is the tomato paste going in. Okay, that looks good, niece. Alrighty then. We're going to stir that up and mix it all in, all like so, and get it all good. Then we're going to add our rice. Niece, can you get the rice for me, please? Alright.
We're going to add 1.5 cups of rice.
Okay.
1 cup?
Yes.
And a half.
Yes. Okay, and we also want to use some water. We're going to put about 2 cups of water in here with our jambalaya. Alrighty then. Niece, how's it going over there? Here we go. 1. Okay. That looks good. 2. I think maybe 1 more cup niece should do it. And that's really good. Alright, nieces. There you are. This is our jambalaya and just cooking away. Yay! Alright, now we're going to cover this up for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, the jambalaya is just about done. All we have to do is add the shrimp. My niece will add the shrimp for you, like so. And then we're going to stir it in. Here we go, guys. Doesn't that just look great? Wow, I can't just wait to taste it. Those shrimp are all mixed in. We have the andouille sausage, chicken, bell peppers. Such a good dish, guys. Now, we're going to put it in a plate and we're going to give it a taste. All right, guys, we're going to plate us some jambalaya. Here we go. Doesn't that look so good, niece?
Yes,
wow.
It looks so good.
Yes, we're going to just eat it up. It's good. All right, niece. We're going to garnish it with a few more shrimp and some parsley. There you are. All right, niece. That looks delish. All right, there's the parsley and there's the shrimp. All right, guys, let's give it a taste. That's so good. Let me put some of the sweet potato up in there. That is really good. You have to try this recipe. It's just to die for. And that's what you call Jay's Jumpin Jambalaya with a twist. Yay!